Hello everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial with GretaWings. I'm sorry, there are my little girl's hands. Then now with this tutorial I want to teach you how to make the backpacks for the capybaras. We will need just a few materials. I will use the same Sinfonia brand yarn that I'm used for the capybaras. And we need just a few, the colors that you prefer. And with this yarn I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. Depending on the yarn that you use for the amigurumi, then you need to select the correct yarn for the details or exactly the same yarn. And also you need to select the correct hook. Also we need a wool needle just for hide and secure the thread. And that's it. This is all that you need. Then I hope you want to do this detail. Also, if you haven't seen the video to make the capybaras, in the description below you can find the links, because we already have tutorial for make them. And let me know if you want more accessories for this cute and sweet amigurumi. Then let's start. I will explain you using green color yarn, but you can use red. Then starting with a magic ring, leave a long thread on the beginning and will be easy to close the magic ring. Then 4 chains. This one will be the first one. 2, 3 and 4. Now to double crochet. Take 2 times loop and like this, pay close attention. This is the first double crochet. And one more, we need make 2. After that, to double crochet. 1 and 2. 2 half double crochet. 1 and 2. 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and now let's continue with 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 2 double crochet, the first one and the second one, and for the end 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1 slip stitch on the magic ring. Cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for secure and hide it. Put it to the back inside the magic ring, and now close the magic ring. You know that you have many stitches on the magic ring, then close very good. And using the another thread you can secure and later hide it using a wool needle. Then pay close attention and you can see how to do that. Now repeat exactly the same one more time. You need 2 hearts. And now we can make the union. Make sure that you put it in the position that you prefer. I prefer this position. This is the back, then join like this. And insert the hook in the second double crochet on each piece. You can start there. I will start here. This is the second double crochet. And take the same stitch on the another heart. like that, starting taking the same color yarn, the loop, and let's make 14 chains. Depend of the position of the legs. If you put it similar like me, with 14 will be enough, but if it's not enough, just try with 15 or 13. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Also depend how you made the chain. Then 15 slip stitch, starting on the same base of the stitch that we start this detail, and I will make 15 slip stitch, making the union all time. One on this heart, one in the another one, the next one, and try to get each one. I know maybe the chains on the corner will be very small, just try to find the chain, but if you make 14 slip stitch or maybe 16 will be okay. Just make the union and make sure that it looks good. On the other side we made 14 chains, then let's make 14 chains on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, and 1 slip stitch on the same base of the last slip stitch. And that's it. After that you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn just for secure and hide it. Put it to the back and secure and hide it, both threads. Then the backpack is ready. I really love this, it's so cute. And now I'm showing you some idea that you can make to put something on that backpacks. When the note is ready, just put it on the backpack inside, and that's it, will be ready. I hope you like this design. Also, if you have any question about that, let me know on the comment and I will answer you as soon as possible. Then let's put this backpack to the capybara. The arms are very small. Also, if you use glue, they are too small, but it's enough for the backpack. Also, you can sew in if you prefer that. Then we already finished this detail for the capybaras. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comment if you want more accessories for this amigurumi. Then if you like this video, don't forget to leave me your like and your comments. I'm really appreciate it and that support this wonderful project. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye!